Okay, I am filming this video as one of my good friends asked me about the sizes of the samples compared to an actual sheet. On the left is the tennis balls, and that's how they come packaged. On the right is Shake Your Tail Feather. You can see that I've used two of the nails on there. I used them as accent nails on my previous manicure and one in the past. Here is our samples. Now I'm going to flip this over because this is very small, and that coordinates with that one. As you can see, they do get much bigger. See how much bigger that one is? I don't know if that's a really good example. Yeah, you can totally tell. Now, this is what you call a petty pack. This is the two biggest nails. This one here, those are the same sizes. This one here fits my toes perfectly. And then this one here, let's see, I think that one there is what I consider to be my thumb. Might actually be that one. Yeah. And then these two are these. So that's actually my thumb. So you get a really good value. That's how I cut up that sheet. I'll show you another example. I only used an accent nail on this tennis ball one. Okay, you can see how I cut this one all up. Because you cut them in half, and this did two complete manicures and two thumbs. So I still have all that left. I used some of these as accent nails of my samples. Okay, so this is the mermaid's tail, and as you can see, I cut this one. This one is the exact perfection of my big toe, and then the little toes were all cut along with the others, and I'll give you a close-up. See how this thing is huge. Let me compare my toe. There is no way that your toe nail could be larger than this sample. I mean, really, it is huge. And you want to have a little bit of room around either side. I don't know that you can see. I think you can. See, I have a little bit of naked nail there, and just a little bit of naked nail there. And it's perfect. This other toenail was done much better. Let's find my toe. Okay. This is the first time I applied them to my toes. But you can see I got a little closer on that one. And then all these became the toes. See how small my toes are? I have tiny toes as far as these. But this is a normal sized toe as far as I can tell. I could cut part of those in half to do those. It's crazy. Because I used one of these as an accent nail. The rest of them is a full manicure and a full pedicure. And I just took the manicure off. So this is another petty pack to show you. Because maybe the first one might have been hard to see. That's an exact replica. So I think the different colors, it allows you to see it a little bit better. And I'll really zoom in here. And I believe that one was. Oh, yeah, I was saying that this one wasn't even my thumb. I used this one as my thumb. That is my thumb. See, it's not very big at all. I mean, it's really a difference, I think, when you see these in person. This was actually bigger than my thumb. I could cut this down and I could use it as a thumb now. So I could get another thumb out of this one. And then almost part of a nail. And see, my nails have grown out so much. They were all the way. See all that white cuticle? Kind of hard to tell maybe, but this is all the growth I've had since I've had the Jamberry on my nails for the last 4 weeks. And see how long these nails have gotten to be. And they were much shorter. I actually had to cut The pinky, on the other hand, no, there. So I have actually, this is probably the longest my nails have been, and they're super hard. And they got just stronger using these Jamberry nail wraps. It's amazing. So I hope this helps you determine the size, because see, this is about the size of the next nail. That's about it. And then it gets bigger, 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 and then it gets huge for your toes. And you can cut down these bigger ones to be for a toenail, or you could cut it into little bitty pieces and use it as accent nails, like I could do that. This is actually a complete pedicure. Use this one on your big toe, and then you can use this on the little toes. Just cut them all up. Or you could do 2 pedicures and do each a big toe and have to cut this down to fit your big toe. Okay, something to note. I said this was probably like these 2 fingers. No, this is my pointer finger. That is perfectly my pointer finger, which corresponds with either this color, this, yeah, it's right on that color, which fit perfectly. The very first picture I took, and I'll insert the picture here, I was wearing this on my pointer finger, and I had this on my pinky, and that's all I've used to do. Okay, the blue and white striped one's called Prep School, and the snakeskin one on my pinky is called Caribbean Snakeskin. Okay, I'm comparing the size in relation to my thumbnail, these different ones. See how much bigger it is. It will fit your big toe. I already showed you my toe, and this will definitely work. That third one is doesn't even fit my thing. It's too big. That fourth one over is my thumbnail. And I'm showing what it should look like around. You have a little gap on the side. Okay, that's my pinky. It's the second one over. It's not even the smallest one. Okay, and then my pointer is the next one to that. And then I'm showing that's my thumb again. Okay, and then there's my 2 other nails. Hope this video is helpful. Have a great day. Here's my website to order from me and my Facebook business page.